So we're currently at Carpenter Creek right now. Kind of enjoying the nice tidal flow that we're getting pulling us in. So this is our first trip on the boat in 2020. Launched this morning with a couple setbacks. We had, let's see, first one, I left the manifold plugs out, so we were pumping water into the bilge of the boat. The engine died on us right when we took off from the dock. Haley hit her head pretty hard, but she seems to be acting just fine, so it didn't do anything. And now we're out kayaking, enjoying this estuary. So growing up, the bridge over there used to have a narrower inlet in it, so you'd actually get a lot of tidal rapids coming in and out. So we'd take the dinghy through here and rip through the tides and then adventure all the way back down in there. But they have since redone that, so you don't get quite the tidal action, and they have prohibited motor vessels, but it still makes really, really good kayaking. Right in Kingston.
This is the very first time I've ever been back here, and it is incredible. Definitely the perfect weekend to come back just to take this all in. Pretty awesome.
I love social distancing.
Oh my gosh. This is our social distancing. Very fun.
It's pretty awesome. Getting some sunshine. Definitely feels remote. Very distant. Very antisocial.
That's the point.
Yep. So we picked a bad time to turn around. We were fighting both the wind and the tide. What about your buddy?
It looks like he's wearing a trench coat. He's got big feathers and staring at us. So he brought his buddy now too. There's two of them. His hair.
He's got a funky hair. Let it fly.
Oh my gosh. Look at his hair go.
So it's really shallow, and we saw something kind of weird. Check this out.
That is insane. That is so cool. Okay, so we are in the shallows. You can see them all. Look at all of them. That is so cool. I've never seen anything like that. Those are all sand dollars. Those are all sand dollars. This is so cool. I just pulled it out of the water. It's alive. Gonna put him back.
He's loving it.